Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Seth Lee Fishing. So today I got a very short, simple, and sweet video for you guys, but it's going to make a big difference in the look of your truck. So what it is these tailgate inserts for the F-150. So it's really simple. They're basically just stickers that you stick on your tailgate, but I'm going to show you how to install them to make sure they stay for a very long time, and they don't just peel off. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I ordered these from Amazon. They're the Tailgate FX. They got a lifetime warranty, apparently. Um, it shows you how to install them right there on the front. So those are the directions we're going to follow. Just very standard directions for emblems and stickers to be installed. So this is what it looks like. It's just F-150. Black F-150 inserts for your tailgate, and they just stick on. You can get them in different colors. You can get them in black, white, red, blue, American flag, you know, all kinds of different patterns and stuff. But if you look, these are actual emblems. They're not flat like normal stickers. They like stick up a little bit. You can buy them flat, just like normal stickers, but I thought the actual emblems would look a little bit more factory like. But let's go ahead and get these put on the truck. Oh, and also these only fit the 2018, 2019, 2020. If you have a 2021 or newer, they did redesign them, and so you gotta buy, like, you can put it on there. Like, they make these for your truck. You just gotta make sure you buy ones for the right year. So let's go ahead and get these put on the truck. Alright, so the first step, it says you just clean it with glass cleaner, rubbing alcohol. I prefer to use rubbing alcohol. Just put it on a rag and make sure you wipe it off good, get it nice and clean, and let it dry. And then basically it just says remove the backing from the emblems and stick it on there. So I'm gonna go ahead. It's just got like double-sided like tape on the back of it. So we're just gonna take and stick it on there. So pretty simple and straightforward. All right, guys, well, there's the finished product. You can see, look, a little close up right here. But I mean, for $11, I think it makes a pretty big difference on the look of the truck. Just a nice little touch. But yeah, that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'm gonna have more videos on the truck, and I make a lot of fishing videos and videos of my boat, stuff like that. So thank you guys for supporting and watching. Appreciate it.